Welcome to Fleetistics, your one-stop shop for fleet management solutions. At Fleetistics, we help businesses of all sizes improve the efficiency, safety, and profitability of fleet operations. Fleet management is the process of overseeing and managing all aspects of a fleet of vehicles. It is generally thought of as a fleet system, but the data generated impacts almost every aspect of a business from sales to human resources to operations. Fleet management includes tasks such as maintenance, fuel management, driver safety, time on-site, and compliance. There are many reasons why businesses need fleet management. Some of the key benefits include: your two most expensive assets are unsupervised 95% of the day, your fleet and drivers. Time is money, and every minute your fleet is not operating efficiently increases your rolling cost per mile. Your fleet and drivers are a relatively fixed expense. Generating more revenue from the same investment can create significant financial growth. Fleetistics offers a wide range of products and services to help businesses manage their fleets more effectively. Fleet tracking and telematics is a core technology to collect data. Good data enables businesses to track the real-time location and use of their vehicles and identify opportunities to improve safety and efficiency.
Distraction detected.
Fleetistics offers a variety of dash cams to meet basic insurance requirements, routine safety and compliance needs, as well as advanced driver management systems with intelligent detection capabilities. Custom integration services enables fleets to multipurpose the data you are already paying for by combining with data from other areas of your business. The data provides businesses with insights into real-time fleet operations in areas such as on-time delivery percentage, route compliance, drivers needing remedial training, opportunities to reduce insurance costs, and other core areas of any business. Compliance management helps businesses comply with all regulations, including electronic logging devices, IFTA reporting, and vehicle inspections. Fleetistics can help with fleet electrification analysis and avoid range anxiety and costly infrastructure mistakes. Fleet maintenance is enhanced with engine diagnostics, leading to improved uptime, on-time delivery, and lower operating costs. So, if you want to take your fleet operations to the next level, you know who to contact. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you.